If you're purchasing a multi-unit property in Chicago, at closing, you should receive a zoning certificate if it's under 5 units. If you're doing construction on a multifamily building and preparing to sell it, you should be getting a certificate of occupancy so that your future buyer knows that this is a certified renovation of a multifamily building. The reason why you want to have a certificate of occupancy is because of 3 reasons. First off, you want to have it for the bank so that the bank knows that you have a legal amount of units. Secondly, you want to have it for safety of the units. The fire department should know where the units are, how many bedrooms, how many people approximately live in that unit. And lastly, you want to make sure that you passed all inspections. Another way of determining a legal unit count is with a zoning certificate. A zoning certificate is a document that you fill out at the City of Chicago or whichever department you are handling your project in. You fill out how many units there are per floor, and then you fill out a total number of units, which gets either denied or approved by the department. You can get a zoning certificate for up to 5 dwelling units. After that, you would need to get a rebuild letter for anything 5+ units and any commercial units. Stay tuned for other types of certificates and occupancies that need to be handled at opening or closing of projects.